This is from Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine!
It's one of my
Another
favorites.
great show.
On the show, they all agree to go on a diet together. And one of them, she decides to torpedo her diet. Gina is just like, I'm done with this diet, almost immediately. So she makes a gigantic sandwich made out of French bread pizza, chili, and macaroni and cheese.
How great is that? Oh, come on. You know, if we turned around, you would come over here and hoover that sandwich.
So we need to make chili first. You make the chili of your choice. This is a pizza, chili, macaroni and cheese sandwich. There are no rules. So we're gonna start with some browned ground beef here. We're gonna add some onions that we've got sweating.
Some onions. I would put garlic in as well.
Yeah, where's the, oh, here we go.
Oh,
We got
there
some
you
garlic.
go.
There
Here,
we
I'll
go.
grate the garlic in.
Oh, please, with your very cool Rachael Ray grater.
Well, thank you. Why, thank you.
I've been looking for innovations to cheese graters for a long time.
And there you go.
It's brilliant.
And then a little chipotle and adobo puree?
Yeah, so if you put just chipotle and adobo puree, that'd wake you up real fast. This just has a little bit of it in there.
Okay.
It's a whole bunch of chili powder and a bunch of different spices, some dried chilies. I modeled it after Kevin's chili from The Office. Anybody watch The Office?
Oh, yeah,
here?
of course.
Yeah, so you remember the chili that he spills?
Yes. And then some tomato.
Yep. And that's just a basic chili.
And that's what this guy is.
Yeah, and that's
this
where
one's
we
all
end up
cooked out.
after like an
Add
hour.
it to the mac and cheese.
Dump it in.
Woo! Chili mac. Yeah, chili mac.
Oh, you like that now?
Yeah, now you're with us, aren't you? Uh-huh.
So we're just gonna mix that in there. It's making some lovely noises. I hope the mics are turned off, because that's, oof, that's happening. All right, so really
It's
just
the
get
chili,
that in
it's
there.
not us making the weird noises. Okay, let's load it
Might
up.
be me, I'm very excited. So now we're gonna make some French bread pizza. And the way I like to do that is start with the cheese. It's gonna kind of
Because that's a barrier, so it doesn't get too soggy.
You don't want soggy French bread
Gotcha.
pizza, am I right?
And then your
start with a little bit of
sauce.
cheese.
I'm gonna go see if there's one in the oven.
Oh.
So we could show them it to Don. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I know my people.
All right, there it is. So we're just gonna sauce that up.
And then you put your cheeses on top, too.
Yep. Extra
Yes?
cheese on top.
Double
of course.
cheese.
Double
Double
cheese.
cheese.
All the way.
Woo! Then it looks like this.
Nuts.
Then we put this in here.
Dump it in.
Oh my God.
Let's
Oh
get
no,
rid of that.
he's going.
There we go.
He's going deep. Whoa! People,
Yeah.
Andrew, that's
fine.
very hot.
That's okay.
He's trying to pick it up. I'm like, buddy, it's hot. That's an actual oven. Anyway, Binging with Babish is a book now, not just a YouTube experience for you and 5.5 million other people. But I have to say, baby, there's Drop the Mic. That's Drop the Spatula delicious.